Welcome everybody back to Boosting Foreigns, guys. Today we'll be installing a cheap eBay lip on my G12 740. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It'll be a short, quick video. So guys, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boosting Foreigns. You guys have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome everybody back. First thing, shout out to my whole Boost and Foreigns family. Much love. I really appreciate you guys. So even though I love race cars and like cars that go fast, and this is my daily driver, I still like to buy little aesthetics to make it look a little different than usual. So I found this eBay lip for pretty cheap. I mean, I could have got a carbon fiber one, but I never believe in putting carbon fiber anywhere close to the floor because, well, the floor has chips, brakes, and carbon fiber is expensive. So I usually like getting these cheap, flexible, yes, I said cheap, flexible lips. I don't get the 3-piece ones. I usually get the 1-piece ones because usually these are pretty pliable. Don't get any ABS plastic ones. Make sure they're PP or PU because they're bendable. So this one could pretty much bend pretty well on video without cracking. And it also came painted gloss black, just like, you know, my shadow line on my car. So they do give you screws and everything involved, and they actually put holes for you too, which is really good. They already got pre-drilled holes. That's something that you don't get quite often, and they come in a big box so that it doesn't come deformed to you. So let me quickly install this. I don't really have to show you guys how to do it. You just line it up at the bottom, and they give you screws that self-tap right in, and then you're good to go. So I'll show you guys the after look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, and just like that, we have the lip on. So I already like it. I know that where the sun is right now, the lip is in the shade, but it looks really good. I think it fits the car very well, and it gives it a way more better aggressive look in the front end. And it was easy to install. I mean, everything drills right through pretty easy. I'm sorry guys, you're gonna have to drill through your bumper. Ooh, it's plastic. You're drilling through a bumper. Just get it done. And it lines up pretty well, and the fitment's really good. And there's still a lot of ground clearance. It's actually still higher than the underpan of the car. So unless you're hitting a bunch of, if you really lower your car really low, or you're hitting, let's say, curbs and stuff, that's the only way I can see you probably damaging it. But right now the car is in comfort mode, which is its highest setting, which I pretty much drive in. So nonetheless, I like it. I think it fits the car pretty well. It makes the car look a little bit more mean. All right, makes the car look a little bit more mean, and it definitely fills up the car a lot. I like it, especially with the shadow line. Let's see if we could catch it from the side, how it looks like from the side. It adds a little bit to the car, a little bit. I ain't trying to do too much. I was looking at the side skirts to get for the car too, and even the rear valance or whatever. So I'm thinking about that too. I'm not going to do the rear trunk lid. If I do the rear trunk lid, it has to be in white, the same color. I don't want to do because these trunks are black, very squarey, so it doesn't fit really well with the rear trunk lid. So I would only get that in like white so it doesn't stand out, the same color. But nonetheless, I'll put a link below to this eBay lip. I do recommend this one. I've been buying, well, it's not an eBay lip, but a brand that sells on eBay, because I got to be careful what I say on video now, because eBay, they get really big on saying the wrong things, and I had to change a lot of my videos when I said eBay lip. Yeah, I had to change it and put a bunch of links. But anyways, guys, you can check the link below. You can definitely order from this seller. I got it within a week, and it's installed and everything good to go. Otherwise than that, you can follow me at Boost in Motion on Boost in Foreigns on Instagram. I'm also original Boost in Motion channel. This is actually my second channel. I'm starting up with just foreign vehicles. I'm also an owner of a W213 E63S. So if you guys want to check the channel for that, and also I was a previous owner of a W205 C63. So this is my third foreign vehicle, and I got this car for reliability. Other side of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Foreigns. You guys have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night.